Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to improve message response rate for Star Seller on Etsy in 2026. Struggling to meet the message response requirement for Star Seller? In today's video, I'll show you practical strategies to improve your response rates quickly and consistently. Now, before we start, you have to know what Etsy requires. Now, to qualify for the Start Seller, you must respond to initial buyer messages within 24 hours. Now, the first thing you want to do is to enable notification. You're gonna have to turn on emails and mobile notification so you never miss a message. Once you start your shop, you're gonna click on become a shop, then you're gonna click on become a shop manager, and you're gonna set up your shop from by entering these information and these details. And once you finish putting these informations here, you're gonna have your store. So you're gonna enable the notification for your Star Seller here on Etsy. Then you're gonna use the Save the Replies. Now you can create response templates for common questions like shipping time or customization. And the third thing is to use auto replies. Sets up automatic replies when you're awake to acknowledge messages immediately. Messages coming from your customers, etc. The fifth strategy is to respond even if you don't have full answer. You can say thanks for your message, I'll confirm the details shortly. And that counts as a response. Now, you can also block spam accounts if needed, but don't ignore conversations. Now, improving your message response rate is one of the easiest ways to qualify for the Star Seller. So stay consistent, stay responsive, and treat your shop like real business. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.